Still through the cloven skies they come, with peaceful wings unfurled, and still their heavenly music flows o'er all the weary world. Above its sad and lonely plains they bend on hovering wing, and ever o'er its babble sound the blessed angels sing. Oh, deep beneath life's crushing blow, whose forms are bending low, who toil along the climbing way with painful steps and slow. Look now, for glad and golden hours come swiftly on the wing. No rest beside the weary road, and hear the angels sing. Oh, lo, the days are hastening on, by prophets seen of old, when with the ever-circling years shall come the time foretold, when the new heaven and earth shall own the Prince of Peace their King, and the whole world send back the song which now